Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Coffee with Coletta. Today we're going to be talking about, is life insurance too complicated for you to understand? Well, I hope not, but if it is, you're in the right place, so let's get to it. Is life insurance too complicated to understand? Again, like I said, it doesn't have to be, but it can. So I'm going to make sure, Coletta, Coffee with Coletta. Welcome to the channel for those that are new. My name is Coletta. I am also known as Coffee with Coletta. I help to educate the community on the basis of life insurance so that you can understand it and so that it's not complicated, right? So on this channel, we don't get into the deep, I don't want to say complicated, but it is sort of complicated, different plans of investment type life insurance and making it your own bank. We don't get into this here on this channel. We make sure that we keep it with, the original basis of life insurance, because too many people don't even understand that before you start going into other parts of life insurance. So that's what I'm here for. So no worries about any of that on this channel. Make sure you subscribe if you have not already. We are just going to give you the basis of life insurance, because if you don't have life insurance or you don't even understand it to begin with, then this is where you need to start. So let's get started. So as I say, guys, make sure you grab your coffee, hot chocolate, tea, whatever it may be, and go ahead and grab your caffeine dose of life insurance today on this episode of Coffee with Coletta. So I have tea today. Actually, it's not hot tea. It's actually green tea. So that's what I'm drinking on today. And so if insurance is complicated for you, right? You want to make sure that you have a broker that's going to break everything down and let you know and understand what it is that you are purchasing, right? So you want to make sure that you know what type of coverage you have, what carrier, which is also the insurance company. If you hear carrier, that's the insurance company. And so you want to know who you're getting insurance with, okay? How much coverage you have. What are the features or the additional benefits to the coverage that you do have? Because as I mentioned on some of my other videos, and I've talked to you guys about, their living benefits too. So keep that in mind. Life insurance is not just for when that day comes for you, right? For burial coverage. It's also for when you're alive. There are things that you can do with a plan, of course, that has to include these living benefits, though. It's not for all plans, but it has to include living benefits. And you can use it for when you're alive. So yes, you want to know what carrier you're getting the insurance with. You want to know what your coverage is. You want to know, like I said, the features and the benefits that come with this. You want to know how much your premium is going to be each and every month. That is, of course, your premium, which is what you pay every month, your monthly payment, right? Now, with life insurance, you don't have to pay every month. That's the other thing. You can pay, every 6 months. You can pay for a year, actually, if you want to. But that's up to you. So make sure you discuss that with your insurance broker or agent, whoever is helping you. I myself, I'm actually a broker, which means I can basically compare different life insurance carriers, which are different life insurance companies that may have a better chance of finding you a plan that meets your needs and your budgets, versus just only being able to offer you, a plan from one particular company. All right. So I'm able to do that and look at different companies, over 20 companies that I can reference to kind of see what's going to be best for you. Now, I don't go into each and every company. We don't do that, because once we have a conversation, we can narrow that down, and I will let you know what companies are available and which one will give you the better plans, and you just make a choice from there. So yes, you want to make sure that you have that. Now, make sure that you ask any questions that you are not, clear on, because you want to have the broker to not rush you. You want them to explain everything, and you want to be able to see everything in writing. Now, a lot of things are done online. I actually do telephone appointments, and I do specialize in non-medical exams. So what that means is, if you are set an appointment with me, it is going to be done over the phone. And we are going to ask some, questions and have a conversation over coffee, hot chocolate, or tea. Okay. Make sure you go to plansovercoffee.com, by the way. But so that's how that's going to be done. Now, There are documents that you will see. So having access to an email address is very important. Having access to text messaging so that you can receive these documents and that you can look at them as well. Now, you can still have your policy mailed out to you. That is not obsolete. You can have that mailed out to you. You will have that, which is also good because everyone's not super tech savvy. But if you can print it out, if you want to receive it electronically, you can. If you want to do that, you can, or you can just have it mailed out. Either way, those options are still available for you. But yes, it does not have to be complicated. You know, do you want something permanent that's going to last you your whole life? Do you need something temporary just for a short amount of time? Do you need to add on additional coverage that will give you a certain amount because you only need it for a certain time? Or do you need something that's going to build cash value for you so that whenever you want, you can pull out, you can withdraw money out of there, pull that out to use towards something else, an emergency or whatnot? Or do you need something that's going to have these living benefits? Do you want something where you can add on, different things, like if you can't pay your premium, for example, and you have cash value, can that be used to help pay for your premium? There's a lot of things that are out there. So with Coffee with Coletta, that's what we do. So if you're looking for a life insurance broker that can compare rates for you, that's there for you to answer any questions that you have and to make it more simple, to simplify this process as much as possible, so that you can get a plan that you understand, that meets your needs, and that meets your budget, all while sipping on coffee, hot chocolate, tea, or whatever it may be. Take a look at that, guys. Now, these cups are not for sale. These are my cups. I do send these out to my clients. I do give these coffee cups to my clients. Coffee, hot chocolate, tea. And the other side, if you guys want to see what that says, it says plansovercoffee.com. It may be backwards. I'm not sure online if you can see it. Right? Plansovercoffee.com. But these are not for sale. These are my coffee cups. I do send these out to my clients for like special holidays and things like that. But again, don't be afraid to ask your life insurance broker or agent any questions that you have. And you shouldn't feel pressured to get a policy that you can't afford. Don't be under pressure to get something that you can't afford. And a lot of things out here now, we can go into a lot of things, and I know about a lot of those, but I specialize in simplifying the process of understanding the basis of life insurance. So that's what this channel is about. Now, so if you're wanting to go into a little bit further with investments and things like that, those are available, okay? Compound interest and so forth. Those are available too, but that is not what this channel is about, okay? With Coffee with Coletta. So that's what I want to let you guys know. Grab your coffee, hot chocolate, tea, whatever it may be. I'm glad that you guys enjoyed your caffeine dose of life insurance. If you have not subscribed yet, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Tell your family, followers, and your friends that they too can get a plan that they can call their own. So until then, guys, make sure that you go and visit the website. Make sure that you subscribe. And make sure that you grab your coffee, hot chocolate, tea, whatever it may be, and grab your caffeine dose of life insurance. Until then, I will talk to you guys soon.